Welcome to Yashad Sokil channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rasgulla. As you can see, here I have paneer or cheese, and here you can see I have all-purpose flour, just 1 teaspoon, and here it will be like 2 cups of paneer. Here you can see I have almost like little more than half cup of sugar for sugar syrup. First you knead the cheese very well with your hand. Now after kneading it for like 5 to 6 minutes, you add the flour and you mix it again. You knead it again really well. Start rolling it between the palms, between 2 palms. It's going to be a round ball. Keep rolling it. You'll see a nice shape. Look at this. I made round shape like this. As you can see in the sugar syrup, the sugar has been dissolved, and I put like 4 cardamoms for flavor. I put 1.5 cup of water, and it's always better to cover it up. As you can see, they are double in size, and that's why I tell you not to crowd them, to space them out. And you can use pressure cooker because it's really cooked well in pressure cooker. As you can see, our sweets are ready to be served. Cool them down before you serve it. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.